video, I will show you how to add text around the model like this. Please subscribe to my channel and click bell icon will help us to make more and more video tutorials for you. So let's get started with the video tutorial. First, let's create a transparent layer with only the model in it. Let's select Subject tab here and copy and again paste the model as a new transparent layer. We can select only the model from the transparent layer with the subject option. Again, we can select Modify here and enter a number to add space around the model image. And again, we can select Smooth to smoothen the curve of the selection around the model. Next, we can make the selection around the model a work path to add text. Next, we can select the text tool and paste the text we want around the model. And we are done with this video process. Hope you enjoyed watching my tutorial. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the like button to get updates.